close by you, the fuck for see with you to the car now, come on. And I drive the something when the security did I drive around. We all get escort to a room in our big blood clot Lamborghini. Mr. Last night I put the Mali out mad. Hear me now. Babes, I love you, though. You I love me, love. Yeah, the fucking me that. I love it too, that. You I love me, love. I wish I be alone in it, love. Jesus, the world would have been a better place. I don't know. The world would have been a better place. I'm not stop fight that little.
And I told mad people you know say that we're cold.
I'm not stop fight that little relationship, that little something that I think I have now. And shoes me so from the store. Or it's in a bag. Give me never shoes in there, no. Fuck with them shoes, I love the little thing that I am in. I'm feeling so.
I like see them look a young couple there, you see.
We trigger them, I'm see them.
Jesus, and those nice. All for the young man that. You know the Hebrew. Jesus Christ.
I suck on them, I'm not about to do a couple. I feel like I don't get a couple.
They say they print their shirt to wear. With each other.
Team, you know how much money that team, they spend so much team that TEAM, 4 letter, 4 bills that, and then the other 4 bills for a fair shirt and 8 bills that. Got so much money them waste for a shirt, you must say man, man, should put on a blood clot, wash out, bomb clot, marine and go off a tree. Go slug and yam, boy up here, a print shirt. The money would take print shirt, that could have go for something good. I could have buy a 3 condom fuck fee night or at least you put something to use, because when you buy the clothes, you just wear the clothes. You wear clothes today, you know you can wear that till next week, you wear it today already. When you could have buy a pack of condom and turn them, use them done. I tell you boy, the fuck I come mad me now. Look how long then me have to go wait to get it back now. I'm can't fuck nobody else. Because them man they can't fuck me so. Them not have that buzz there that the fuck. Buzz, more than
Buzz.
Me don't know that fuck they give me life. Then people pick up look at things. We are dangerous people in them life, not just not them. Ivany, we can't have a story. Story the fuck, girl. What you take this thing for? Ivany, explain your love. Girl, I do one better on my tongue when I start chat, but I tell her the love is real. I know I'm feeling love like when me feel me, I know I'm feel it. Like I want some fucking other night, boy, but that if I could have turn around, if I could have turned around the past, I could have turned around it. Turn back the world around from the very first night, the night there, to that night there. I'm sad. Yeah, the wig before pink. The shirt bad door. Dirty blood clot fireball. Are you sure, Mavan? Answer my question. Then in blood clot brighty girl. You did first thing with that hotel, see? He never give me no shirt to put on, because you know me never have my jumper. I was going to to go get the food to eat. So I said, now I walk up on him. You know, it's a night, last night we party, so that night we did in the jumper. So I said, I do know. So I said, give me a shirt and put on the shirt. Bumbo on fireball come ask me now about you like my shirt. You have to like my shirt because it's not your shirt. And I your shirt for your boss. Yeah, I feel like that shirt is bumbo or whatever the deal again. It's not your shirt. It's not your shirt. People are not fireball shirts. I feel like that shirt.
Which demons is this now?
Give me my swag, who this?
Come up a lunch in the fire life.
Dirty blood clot fireball. Come from my life. Then yeah, fireball exchange. No, uncle, do you see what is going on here? Uncle, are you watching the live? So star. It is Sosa's shirt. And Sosa said, "Why you not give me a shirt even though you?" Ooh, I just fuck and get ready and cut. But could get Sosa a shirt, yeah. I wear with my van and my brassiere and that is in a nice little shorts. I'm a long black weave with my two big round ears and my little chain and my watch for my hand. And my nails do up and my little clocks on my foot. I'm a Ghana road. Sosa couldn't tell me say I him buy that shirt, yeah. Shirt nice, people. Fireball, I'm ask you a question.
Hello?
So that girl they still down there?
Hello?
That girl they still down there?
Mr. Brown?
The one on my left down there. The one where rockum, my man. Still down there. Sosa here. Sosa, if you ever open up your blood clot butt for the life, you want your shirt. Block your from coming from this Ross. Brand new clocks, man. So, yeah, brand new clock. Fireball. I'm not looking at TikTok going down there now. Speech, speech. Don't you have work to do? Look forward for that speech. You have speech and have work to do. Where are the panda life, yeah? Go and go pop, man. Where are the panda life? Yes, Sosa, me too skill. Bumbo whoop. Bam, 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 bam. Speech are the one we kill anything we come in there.
I'm a charger for my vape, thief in speech. I'm a charger for my vape, it's thief like what? I'm going to buy a charger.
Sosa, now you give me the blood class shirt so I can put on the shirt when I'm going to buy the food. And you never have no intention to take by the shirt. If you have intention to take by the shirt, you would have take off the shirt. So all you know I come talk about the shirt, Sosa, talk now. You know me rock your shirt good right now. Girl, come take blood clot. Come speech a talk to you, speech a talk to you. So speech after you thief the girl charger, you tell the girl come take it when we not did it. Why do I tell the girl come take the charger when we dog there?
Thief like one say my up boy, feel like puppy. Boy, ugly life.
Speech is not a speech, that thief from thief, God laugh. I mean, a thief the and she has speech of charger problem. Who she thief the charger from? Why everybody else on the level laugh like they know we are talking about?
Me can show you my vape.
Lola.
Do you have a vape? Speech, do you have a vape?
Lola. Speech over take total vape in dead.
I would have bought Lola. Like you know, gotta call him.
Do you hear that? Girl, rush me the pan live. I can't call it though. Do you hear this one I say, Uncle say, we are enough for the cocky for.
I don't see a din up and I go and I go by your head. I say when I time when I spread out my foot them and I set him and I'm brace it and arch him back. Uncle Depan.
Cause the uncle stab it. Don't buckle cause the uncle stab it. Uncle wet.
When uncle come out our room, uncle wet. We're going to the bathroom, go wash off now.
So you say uncle have a big hood under there?
In get up back again and we start fuck again in there again. Come and say condom for city does the middle clear. Yeah, that's nice.
I'm in the hotel who will want two condom girl. Me bust one fuck and that was it.
Them boy come like them a fuck. No, me say mount a condom.
Lola. Uncle out and stunting a preacher. The one of them pack up the condom, them dog there. I'm somebody that Uncle can't want all blood clot condom come give me. Me a fuck on my pussy just now. Let the condom dry out every blood clot wetness out of my front. Me have to throw the ice water from my crutches. You fuck for no use it, I fuck it name and a girl when I play.
Me say it come like a long time.
Me say uncle bad. You give me for a long time, uncle no fuck. A years uncle no fuck. Uncle get it, uncle nearly kill it.
Me say the time me did for me belly hurt. Uncle say yeah, belly hurt you. And I soon start rum hard and me said Jesus. When I time I me hear the boy papa fi kerchief off of me that
Why? Lord Jesus! Blood! If I did ever chat the story in front of